Siba Mtongana in the Taste Kitchen studio with Mr. Brian Mtongana, my hubs. He's celebrating Father's Day and I thought I will treat him to one of his favorite puddings, which is Malva.
Yeah, Malva.
So the stove is on. So I've got some butter, apple cider vinegar, and then some milk.
Okay, and then the milk.
Then the milk, apple cider vinegar, and a gentle stir. I've got some eggs, 2 eggs that I need. And I have some sugar. Babe, that looks perfect. High five.
Some of my best work. A mascara.
A tablespoon of apricot jam. Now this is traditional. You cannot have Malva pudding without adding apricot jam to it. Okay babe, now I'm going to add the dry ingredients. We've got some flour, some bicarbonate of soda, and a pinch of salt. And then you mix it in. Then once it's mixed, you're going to sieve it there. Perfect. And then folding action. Would you like to try?
Let me try it.
Woohoo! Go Brian.
See, I taught you very well how to do this.
Wow. Let me see whether everything is well mixed. There's some flour in the corner there. Also.
No, I left some for you, so I've got something to do there.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
So kind of you. Alright, this is perfectly done, but we need to tap it, and that is to remove all the air bubbles. Alright babes, this goes into the oven at 180 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes. Who's gonna be back first? Ha! I'm first. Ha!
Whatever. So what's next?
Next is you're going to make a simple syrup for me. We're going to make a preserve for the oranges, which will be the topping, and I'm going to make the sauce. But let me take you through it first. So water.
Yeah, everything.
Everything in, some sugar, orange juice for some flavor, and then you just stir it, babe.
Okay.
And at this point, it must not boil. Once everything is dissolved, then it can start boiling. Now, while he does that, I'm going to do the sauce. I've got some butter, some sugar, some orange juice. That's the flavor of the day. Make sure the sugar is all dissolved. Now, the sugar is completely dissolved on mine, and it looks like it is on yours. Now it's time to add the orange slices. It's gorgeous, isn't it?
It smells good as well.
It smells so good. Mine looks amazing. Now I'm going to add my cream and something that is really lovely because it is Father's Day. Would you like to have some?
What is it?
It's brandy.
Wow.
Wow. This looks gorgeous too. Look at it.
Yeah, some of my best work. I mean, look at this. I mean, guys, I'm really, really good. Look at that.
Sorry. Oh, they look gorgeous.
Yeah.
See, nice and spongy, nice and golden. Now, we have to take toothpicks and poke them, and that's what you're going to help me with.
But why are you poking them?
Because I'm going to pour the sauce over them, and it's best if you do this if you want the sauce to be nicely absorbed. I'm going to garnish it with this gorgeous orange preserves. Now this goes back in the oven for another 10 minutes so that the sauce cooks in the pudding, so it's nice and sticky. This looks insanely good.
It smells really good as well.
Now, Mr. Mtongana.
This way.
Yeah, boy, yes. And I know he likes his with custard.
Yes. Keep it real.
Keeping it real with custard.
It's Father's Day. It's me first.
You're behind.
I like the orange. It's quite nostalgic. Really
Welcome.
good. Wow.
Welcome. Mwah. Finishing his last bit.